to Jews from the Palestinian people, which may tell you something about Palestinians and the Germans. In fact, it would strike me as only logical that it would suggest something. We'll be back in a moment.
Mrs. Donald Trump's re-election.
Trump's Front Row Shows is the new two-part documentary offering the first inside look at the men and women standing shoulder to shoulder with Trump in the greatest political movement in American history.
The kind of basis for all the rallies, like the Death State.
Like-minded people following their hero all around the country, exhausting their bank accounts, camping out for days in the freezing cold and scorching heat to support Trump's re-election and make America great again.
The Front Row Joes are very successful, incredible people.
Trump's Front Row Shows from executive producer Sean Spicer, former White House press secretary and communications director for President Donald J. Trump.
The friendships I've made over the years at the Front Row Joes is probably the best part of it.
Trump's Front Row Shows. Watch it now. Go to SalemNow.com. SalemNow.com. 60 minutes that could save life and limb. The Heart of Innovation, hosted by Emmy Award-winning journalist and patient navigator Kim McNicholas and interventional cardiologist Dr. John Phillips. Discover new game-changing ideas and innovation shaping the new frontier of healthcare. Join the discussion with physicians, clinicians, policymakers, and most importantly, patients. Ask physicians your burning questions and get real-time guidance and support. The Heart of Innovation. Heard each Saturday at 11 a.m. right here at 8:60 a.m. The Answer. Are you tired of exposing your retirement? How would you like the potential to participate in credited interest from market index returns and limit the downside? Join Edmund Brown for the Safe Money Radio Show on Sunday at 10 a.m. on 860 a.m. The Answer. You can also call Edmund Brown now for your complimentary customized Safe Money Radio Kit and Safe Money Radio book at 1-844-306-SAFE. That's 1-844-306-7233.
Are you retired or retiring soon? Do you know how much money you need to live comfortably? Retirement Planners of America is here for you. These may feel like scary times. Several economists are saying that a recession is imminent. So what do you do? Ancient wisdom says plans fail for lack of counsel. But with many advisors, they succeed. Would you like to have financial peace of mind? Here's how. Step 1. Find out the amount of money you'll need to retire. Step 2. Have an actionable plan to get there. Step 3. Make sure that plan is executed to take advantage of market gains, but protect you from market losses. We would like to give you a free, no-obligation consultation. We will help you discover your magic number and give you the roadmap to get there. Call now to schedule your free consultation. 800-508-6108. That's 800-508-6108. 800-508-6108. Don't wait. Call 800-508-6108.
All investments involve risk, including losses. Past performance does not guarantee future results.
With SRN News, I'm John Scott. The United States and Russia have reportedly completed a prisoner swap. Moscow has released journalist Evan Gershkovich and fellow American Paul Wheeler in a multinational deal that set some 24 people free. This trade followed years of secretive back-channel negotiations. That's despite frosty relations between Moscow and Washington. The F-16 fighter jets that have been delivered to Kyiv by Western countries will be flying sorties in Ukrainian skies and helping that country's current fleet of Soviet-era jets to counter Russia's invasion. Ukrainian pilots have been on flying training courses in the U.S. and Europe. Stocks lower. The Dow is down 476 points. The Nasdaq losing 290. This is SRN News.
The Dennis Prager Show.